This is an update on my plum tree that I purchased from Gurney's. I don't know, y'all. I think I just purchased a stick, but it's not doing anything. And I've had it in the ground for a very long, in this pot for a very long time. And all I have is this right here that's down here. But I don't know. I think that may be a piece of grass that flew in here. Maybe y'all know. Is it growing from the bottom up? I don't think so, y'all. I don't know. This is my first time growing a plum tree, so I don't really know, but this does not look good. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But like I said, this is all that's there. It's just that. I don't think it's, because there's no buds. There's the buds, but nothing is coming. The buds aren't doing anything. It's like a sad little plum stick. That's what it looks like I have. I have a plum stick. I don't have a plum tree. Nah. I don't like this. I don't like this, y'all. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Should I throw it away and start over with a different company and their plum tree? Because this is it.